Hi, my name is Liz. I am from Stillwater, Minnesota. We decided to contact Aquarius to have a Kinetico water system installed into our home. We've been having a ton of issues with our water, super hard water. We have 5 very active people in our family. Showers are always running. Our water softener that we had just was not keeping up and doing the job. And our water, we had a lot of concerns about the treatment and the chemicals in our water from the city. So we thought we would reach out to Aquarius. We heard so many great things about the Kinetico system, reverse osmosis. We just wanted to be able to drink clean filtered water and also be able to wash our clothes and shower in filtered water, and get rid of the hard water stains that we've been struggling with for years. So Allie came in, one of the sales reps for Aquarius. She was absolutely fantastic, super professional, knowledgeable on the product, warm, friendly, welcoming. It didn't feel sales pitchy. I didn't feel pressured to buy the system. She just educated me on how it works, how the system works. She tested our water. She compared our sink and faucet water, the water we've been using, to the filtered water we've been trying to use from fridge filters that we bought, which were doing absolutely nothing to filter our water. And just kind of explained how the Kinetico system would work. It was super helpful and made me feel a lot better about the investment. And then we decided to have it installed. It just seemed kind of like a no-brainer. And then we had Cooper come and do install. Cooper and his partner were fantastic. They spent the day here removing our old water softener, installing the new system, and then also he took the time to explain to me how it all worked, what to look out for, but that it was going to be life-changing, and it already has been. We've had the system in our home for 3 days. We can already tell a difference in the taste in the water, the feel of the water. We just feel so much better about it. And we were able to ditch our crappy filters, water filters that we had in the fridge that were doing nothing. We're just so happy with it. And not to mention, they reminded us that they come out to service. We don't even have to worry about keeping up with it. And if we move, which we most likely will be in the next 3 to 5 years, they move the system with you, which is fantastic. So again, this was a no-brainer. This is our Kinetico system that they installed. So they installed this in our boiler room. Doesn't take up much room, not much more than our softener previously did. They were super conscious of keeping things clean on install. And then this was installed underneath our sink. Filter system to get our fresh drinking water. And now I've got fresh, filtered, pure water that we feel really good about.